Welcome back to the Revit Crash Course for Architects. This series is designed to help you navigate Revit's essential tools and features, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. So in this episode, we'll focus on the basics, sketching tools. So these are your foundations for mastering Revit. Whether you're just starting or need a refresher, we've got you covered. So let's start with the project browser, your navigation hub in Revit. So it's where you manage all your project views, sheets, and families. Understanding how to use it effectively can make all the difference in your workflow. So the project browser is typically docked on the left side of your workspace, organized into categories like floor plans for top-down views of each level, ceiling plans for overhead designs, sections for vertical slices through your model, and 3D views for perspective or isometric renderings. So this structure creates a logical hierarchy. So for example, your floor plan might include views for level 1 and level 2, while your sections could be named based on their orientation, like north-south section. So a little pro tip is you can customize this hierarchy by renaming views or adding filters to group them by phases, disciplines, or other criteria. This is especially useful in large, multi-phase projects. Next, let's explore two key view types included in Revit templates. Floor plans. These are your working views where you'll design and document your project. They include all the details from walls and doors to furniture and annotations. Presentation plans. These are simplified, polished views tailored for client meetings. They often feature color fills, reduced annotations, and a cleaner look to help communicate ideas more clearly. So switching between these view types can save you time, especially when toggling between detailed design work and high-level presentations. So before diving into sketching, let's look at some essential commands for setting up your project. So, view templates. These control the appearance of your views. Right-click a view in the project browser, select Apply Template, and pick the one that suits your needs. Linking reference files. Import CAD drawings or other Revit models via the Insert tab. Next up, levels and grids. These tools form the backbone of your building layout. Use grids for structural alignment and levels to organize your design across floors. Another pro tip, always double-check units and alignment when linking reference files to avoid scaling or positioning errors. Drafting views in Revit are your digital sketchpad, perfect for creating 2D details outside of your 3D model. So let's break down their key components step by step. Dimensions communicate essential sizes and distances. And to customize them, navigate to Manage tab, then Object Styles, then Dimensions. Adjust text size, arrowhead types, and line weights to match your project standards. Consistent dimension styles not only make your drawings more professional, but also ensure clarity across teams. Clear annotations are critical for effective communication, and Revit lets you tailor text styles by adjusting fonts, sizes, and alignments. And for lines, remember solid lines might represent structural elements, dashed lines could indicate overhead features, and thick lines are great for emphasizing boundaries. Hatches provide visual distinction in drawings. Color hatches. They're great for zoning or highlighting areas in floor plans. Material hatches. These represent physical materials like brick or tile in sections. And you customize these hatches in the material editor by adjusting scale, rotation, and pattern type. So that wraps up episode 1 of our Revit Crash Course 2. Today, you've mastered the essentials of sketching tools, from setting up your project browser to customizing drafting views. In episode 2, we'll explore modeling tools to bring your designs to life in 3D. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. See you next time. Bye!